Welcome back, fellow photographers. Have you ever wondered how to load 120 film in Hasselblad with series camera? Today you're going to find out how to load your Hasselblad camera in 5 easy steps. Step 1. Remove the film holder from the camera. Step 2. Remove any film that you might have in it. By the way, be sure to stick around because I will give you a bonus tip at the end of the video. Step 3. Swap the film spool from one side to the other. Load the film. Step 4. Bring the film around and be sure that it goes under the small metal thumb. Turn the handle until the arrow on the film matches the arrow on the film magazine. Bonus tip. If you're using, like I am, a 220 magazine, you can just align the arrow on the film on a position that's pretty much 5, 6, 10 degrees at most from the main arrow. This will let you use your 220 magazine with 120 film with no problems at all. Step 5. Lock the back. You can advance the film using the winding crank till you reach 1. You're ready to shoot. Bonus tip. If you happen to have an older magazine, like the one I have here on the 500C, then the procedure is a little bit different. Remove the dark slide. Unlock the back. Take out the film holder, but as you can see, this kind of magazine has a hole in the back as a peephole. You will have to look through this peephole to check the number on the actual film. You won't have to align the arrow on the paper with anything, but just put a little bit of tension on the film. Put the film holder back in the camera. You will have to check through the peephole that is on the back under the film memo tab. And look at the numbers printed on the film paper itself while you advance the film, stopping when you reach 1. So you have it. Now you can shoot your TRR content, well, at least until you reach the 12th exposure. And now, just a few pictures to show what's possible using your Hasselblad. And please don't forget to like and subscribe if you find this video helpful. And if you want to learn a pro tip on how to correctly load a 55mm film like a real photojournalist, not like you've probably been taught, you can watch this video here. See you next time.